Hi everybody and welcome to my proposal. For me as an academic institute, TCU is a great place to study because it has lots of amenities for us students like lecture rooms, study rooms, and study resources. Besides, the studying activities at TCU is one that is worth mentioning, since it is vastly different from what I have experienced in Vietnam. How- However, due to the overemphasis of the school on business students, the academic experience of science students is not catered for appropriately. One place where this fact is evident is in a lack of higher level science course for science students. I am therefore making the proposal that TCU should offer more and more upper level science course for the students because the benefit of doing that are wide and varied. For the sake of argument, I will focus mainly on the math department, but the story is exactly the same in any other science department at TCU. First, I will give you a brief assessment of the current situation at TCU. Looking at our school catalog for mathematics, we can see an obvious lack of the variety of higher math classes compared to other schools. For comparison, I've put forward three catalogs, one from our school, one other from Purdue University, and the last one is from the University of British Columbia, Canada. Looking at a section in our catalog, for example, you can see that there are very few courses at the 50,000 level or higher. For example, there is only one course in differential geometry and not many other courses in many math areas. Compare that with Purdue, a very famous school in math and engineering. We can see that there are a wider variety of math courses, like algebraic topology, linear algebra, functional analysis. Also, Purdue encourages many of its students to take those harder classes, an indication of the encouraging ideas of the mathematical nurture there. Last, the catalog of UBC. A school in Canada also displays a wide variety of difficult classes across many different disciplines of math, like applied linear algebra, introduction to stochastic process, and graph and networks. Those three catalog combined have shown us how lacking the TCU math curriculum is compared to other universities in the region. Furthermore, the higher level classes at TCU is offered very intermittently. Looking at, as you can see in the 5D calendar of the math department, those classes that are offered denoted by the number of 10 classes, especially distributed throughout the period. This fact put many of the graduating seniors at a disadvantage if they really want to learn a subject within math, but the class is not offered until the year after they go out of college. They really cannot have a chance. Although effort have been made in the form of special topics classes and the expansion of more higher level courses, the overlap variety is still evident. Next, I will describe to you the benefits of offering more and more higher upper level math classes here at TCU. First, such offering will better prepare us students to enter graduate school in math. A lot of us math students really want to enter graduate school after college. And when I search online for the tips to prepare for grad school, almost every university say that we should take higher level courses to impress colleges. As an example, the University of California at Irvine says that students should take coursework to strengthen application. And the University of Connecticut tells us to take higher level courses as soon as possible, without much higher level courses. Us math students really do not have a chance to stand out among other applicants, and hence the chance of getting into our dream school is harmed. Furthermore, such offering also gives us more chance to approach more contemporary knowledge in mathematics and science, which is beneficial for us in terms of our researching prospects, or once again, the ability to choose a definite field of interest to pursue in a later graduate career. Finally, such offering can enhance TCU position among other universities in Texas as well as in America. According to the U.S. News, TCU is currently ranked at number 97 among all national universities. This number is not low, but also is far from a high one. The offering of more and more courses, along with an improvement to the quality of math teaching overall, will boost its status and position among other universities. It shows that we have the resources to really step up and be as good as any other institutes in the country. This, I think, should be the time for me to address a counter argument to my proposal. Some people will say that since TCU is just a small school in the region of Dallas-Fort Worth with only a few thousand students, why bother offering lots of higher classes? Well, I think that just because of the size of the school does not mean that the students down here have small dreams either. Lots of my friends have stressed that they want to approach the knowledge, the faster, the wider, the better. As a math and science students, I cannot agree more. We want to approach math and science as a more professional rate than what we have now. Therefore, the school should be a platform to offer and cater for the needs of all students, including those who aspire to be better at studying math and to be a better version of themselves. What are the solutions to amend the situation, you may ask? Well, I think that first, the school should create incentives for professors to teach higher level courses, maybe with the offering of higher salary for those who teach other math classes. This will open more avenues for professors to teach more higher level science classes instead of elementary classes in math and science. Second, the school can hire staffs to make sure that the math and science departments have a wide variety of specialties for professors. Essentially, I am calling for an expansion of the current science department at TCU. This will create a more diverse academic environment at school, and higher classes will come naturally because of that. I know this is a money problem, but I believe that with proper budgeting, this is entirely possible for TCU to do that. In conclusion, I think this is a viable proposal to make, especially in this era of increased mathematical advancement like this. With more math classes offered, more higher level science and math classes offered, the school and its students will experience a lot more positive change to their academic lives soon. Thank you for listening to my proposal.